tubig, pusitas na kape. Double cups ako din na tusok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dalabliki nakaipit dun sa brief. Hawak tubig, pusitas na kapikit. Double cups ako din lang to sumisip. 28 gramo tapos nakazip. Pagbaba nakangarat sa iyong mukha. Sa pool dun sa tunog ko lahat napapadapa. AK-47 armalay puputok pagkasa. Sinampulan na namin yung mga asal daga. Yung pusi na babasa pag ako na bumayo. Paghipa ko dun sa bland bigla napapatayo. Dun sa aking inuupuan tapos biglang lalayo. Tapos hihipak sagad ako lang dito patago. Sumasabay na gang ko hindi napapatangay. Sumasabay sa amin nila mutak kinamay. Karibu lumilitaw sa amin di sila sanay. Pag di ka kilala bawas amin makisakay. Dalabliki nakaipit dun sa brief. Hawak tubig pusitas na kapikit. Double cups ako din lang to sumisip. 28 gramo tapos nakazip.
28 gramo tapos nakazip. Kanta namin babayo pagkapasok ko ng whip. Sa pulsa yung mukha pag kinasa ko na yung blick. 45 ay nasa hip, puputok kapag may snitch. Tablado ka kung gusto mo lang makihitch. Mga nagtangkang sumubok iniiwan lang sa ditch. Paglabas ko sa kalsada sa gatilyo nakagrip. Rat-rat sa'kin mga token sa maubos na yung clip. Pag kami nag-iingay, di sila makasabay. Ngarat sa yung mukha to sa bigat ng bawat lines. Mga bitches sobrang fine, sa aking kwarto naghimay. Mali dubitas ko din na nakahalo na sa Sprite. Baiting it, Louis Vuitton, sobrang steezy. Sagasaan pag humarang ka kay sleazy. Merong dubi na dala na sobrang sticky. Pull up sa yung city, nakadikis, puro mili, dalabliki.
Dalabliki nakaipit dun sa brief. Hawak tubig, pusitas na kapikit. Double cups ako din lang to sumisip. 28 gramo tapos nakazip. Dalabliki nakaipit dun sa brief. Hawak tubig, pusitas na kapikit. Double cups ako din lang to sumisip. 28 gramo tapos nakazip.
Investigation underway in Harlem after a man was stabbed to death. It happened just before 1 this morning on West 154th Street and St. Nicholas Avenue. Authorities say officers found the man with multiple stab wounds to his torso and legs. His identity yet to be released and no arrest.
Nigga, what? Come here! Where the fuck is he going? Nigga, Nari they thought that was funny. Lottie got back to start in 2020. And I wanna watch and get excited. But we don't get indicted. Feel the balls, I got go for the I know at night just to hearing them sirens. Everything changed on the night that he died. Like, they got caught by surprise. And it's like 6 to the God. It's real life, I'm not just on the run. Come here. He was screaming for help and he cried. When I'm spinning and spinning, I post here black, all black like whip. We on full third, who wanna get hit? Who wanna go like that, fuck nigga clip? I throw the switch on the clock, make him dip. I got my hand, made him rainy, he flinch. The shit that I got is shit'll make you trip. Throw 41 shots, we running the gym.
I was like 12 when Ulati died. 13 I was smoking on fries. 14 I was smoking on 90. I'm a